Welcome to the JoJo Show. Hi, I'm Joel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the JoJo Show. I am Joel. Tomorrow's my brother's birthday. He's having some painting time. I'm gonna teach you how to paint an emoji. Ready, set, go. Step 1. Choose your emoji.
Which one do you want to do?
Heart.
The heart eyes?
Step 2. Red. Step 3. Get your paintbrush and your paint. I already choose pink and black because I'm going to do the heart eyes emoji. And I'm going to use paint. Now I'm going to draw my circle.
Big circle.
Now I'm going to draw the smile. He's happy. Now I'm going to draw a heart. This is my finished result. I just want to add a little spice. I finished my painting. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. JOULE.
Good job. No.
I'm gonna paint my pig just for fun.
Take
First,
some of
you're
these.
gonna do